be there with us today. She's not well, but we will be having a class session. And as I said, it will be a little late today, therefore it has got a little late. And but I was able to attend my session in Australia, for which I asked the permission. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, today I have small thing to be discussed in front of you people. It is like we generally speak in active speech. When we talk to somebody in front of us, we talk in active speech. Okay, active voice. But when we tell what we talked with each other to some other person, when we talk with some other person and tell what the conversation was between two people, we do it in passive form. That is active and passive voices. Okay, active and passive voice play a great role in knowing the level of your English. Okay, there are so many students in, especially in our city, who are facing problem in active and passive voice. When asked to change the sentence from active to passive, it is a little easy for them. But when we, when we actually talk in English, when we converse in English, at that point of time, talking from active to passive becomes a little difficult job for us, right? So I am not going to bring it as a practical or a studious way of teaching you. मैं आपको ये नहीं बोलूंगी I bought a book, so please convert it into passive, and you will say that the book was bought by me. मैं ऐसे तो आपसे नहीं practice कराने वाले. This is what we teach in academics. But spoken English is just not about academics. It is about the practical usage of English in conversation. Therefore, today I'm going to ask you certain conversations that took place between you and your family members, or maybe anybody. I'm going to ask you an incident, maybe, probably. Okay. And on the basis of that, I just want to know that how well is your active and passive? Okay. Suppose to begin with, I'll ask Tushar. Tushar, may I see you? Okay, that's nice. Tushar, I want to ask you that yesterday when you were standing with your mama while getting trees planted or getting plants planted in your home garden, just tell me, what conversations did you have with your mother? कोई बात की होगी मम्मा के साथ? You must have talked with her. Did you?
Yes.
Right? So when you had a word with her, what conversations did you talk with her? What conversations did you have with her?
I said that these types of plants are planted, and she said that other plants.
These type of plants, I suggested her, use the word, I suggested her to plant a particular type of plants, whereas she told me that she wanted some other types of plants to be planted as well. Whereas यानी जबकि मम्मा ने मुझे ये कहा कि वो और तरह के प्लांट्स भी प्लांट करना चाहती थी. Right? Okay. Ma'am, if I ask you, what conversation did you have with any of your family member just before this class?
I had discussed about my daughter's class.
Mm-hmm.
How was that?
Okay. And the doctor's class regarding?
Subject accordingly.
Okay.
Which subject teacher did teach you very well, and which subject you are taking interest?
See. Here is the problem, ma'am. अब आप मुझे बता रहे हो कि आपकी डॉटर के साथ क्या बात हुई?
I am using ing.
Yes, ना आप I use करोगे, ना आप you use करोगे. I तो फिर भी कर सकते हो, you नहीं कर सकते. I asked her. I asked her.
She replied me.
She replied me. अब हमें पता है, see as a teacher you also know that, but
Yes.
problem कहाँ होती है? Because it is not in habit of speaking, we face problem, and the only way to overcome such problem is to continuously practice that. Therefore this session today has to be of the practices regarding active and passive voice, especially the passive ones. Okay, so now please once again reframe and tell me.
Before this class, I asked my daughter, "How was your class, baby?" She replied me, "Mama, it was some lectures was boring, but I took interest in English lecture. Nisha ma'am was there.
Okay.
She taught me very well with an activity."
Okay. She taught me or she taught her?
She told me. उन्होंने मुझे कराया.
She told me that her teacher taught her.
Okay.
Okay. She taught me that her teacher taught her very well, and that too with examples. Okay. So that's how you will speak. Okay. Can you quote one conversation that you had with your mother or in-law or maybe your husband in the morning? That's a little personal to ask, but I'm sorry because that's the only way I can, make you practice that. Try.
Yeah, I'm going to share not today, yesterday conversation with my mother.
Yesterday's kal ki.
Yesterday.
Yes, please go ahead.
I called to my mother and I asked to her, "What are you doing now?" And she replied me, "I'm in kitchen."
Okay.
She replied me, "I'm in kitchen and making dinner."
Yes.
And I asked her about my brother and my father, what they are doing.
I asked about the doings of my brother and my father. Doings मतलब वो क्या कर रहे हैं, और अगर हम कहाँ पे हैं तो हम पूछते हैं whereabouts. I asked my mother the whereabouts of my father and my brother. Whereabouts मतलब वो कहाँ पे है, doings मतलब वो क्या कर रहे हैं. Yes. So
I asked my mother's doing about my father and my brother.
Right.
She replied that your brother is taking dinner and your father is playing the game in mobile.
She told me that my brother, not your. उस समय उन्होंने आपको your बोला, लेकिन जब आप मुझे बताओगे तो आप कहोगे कि मेरा भाई इस समय क्या कर रहा था और मेरे हस्बैंड इस समय क्या कर रहे थे.
But I am here. I'm sharing you my mother's views. What she replied me.
But even then, जब आप उनकी बात किसी और को बताओगे तो वो आपके लिए, वो आपको जो बोलेंगे वो तुम नहीं होगा, वो मेरा होगा. हम कभी भी, तुषार कम इन फ्रंट बेटे, राइट इन फ्रंट, आई वांट टू फेस यू. ओके. सो जब भी हम मतलब किसी, देखो अब मैं आपसे बात करी तो मैं आपको बोल रही हूँ कि आपके मम्मा यहाँ बैठे हैं, आपका बेटा यहाँ बैठा है, राइट. बट जब आप किसी को और को बताओगे कि रितिका मैम ने ना हमें बताया था कि मेरी मम्मा कहाँ बैठी हैं, मेरी मम्मा, ना कि आपकी मम्मा.
My brother.
Yes. You have to understand that. और इसको जितना रूल से ना लर्न करके ना, जितना हम अपनी लैंग्वेज से रिलेट करके सीखेंगे स्पोकन में, उतना इजी है. और एक बार ही आपको स्पोकन आ गया ना, आपको रिटन में कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी, ट्रस्ट मी. ओके. सो नाउ वंस अगेन कैरी ऑन द कन्वर्सेशन. सो उसके बाद क्या हुआ?
As generally I discussed about my sister also when she called you.
Okay.
how she is, and when she what she said about to come at home.
Mm-hmm. अच्छा, then
These type conversation.
ओके अभी भी थोड़ा मतलब अगर मैं आपको बोल दूं कि पूरे दिन में क्या क्या बात हुई, राइट, तो आप उसको अगर खुल के आपने लंबी देर मुझसे बात करनी है तो कैसे करो, आई मेक यू डू दैट टुडे। मैं भी करने वाली हूँ वो, दैट्स द नेक्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ टीचिंग यू, राइट। ओके, सो तुषार, लेट्स हैव अ कन्वर्सेशन फ्रॉम यू। व्हाट कन्वर्सेशन डिड यू हैव विद दिविज योर ब्रदर टुडे? क्या बात हुई आज उससे, कितनी भी देर हुई, चाहे जो भी बात हुई, प्लीज टेल मी द एंटायर सीन। शेयर, ट्राई टू टॉक, क्या बात हुई आज दिविज से, कोशिश करो।
He told me about to buy which type of phone.
ओके, पहले सीधा ही टोल्ड मी, क्या बात हुई, आपने उससे कुछ कहा होगा तभी उसने कुछ बताया होगा ना, ऐसे तो नहीं।
नहीं, वो फोन टूट गया तो फिर वो बताने लग गया।
हाँ तो पहले उसको बोलो ना, टुडे इन द मॉर्निंग my phone broke down and he told me about it, or his phone broke down and he told me about it. You sharing your incidents along with the conversation.
Today my phone was broken, so
मेरा
I
फोन तो was broken, यानी किसी ने तोड़ दिया था उसको। was broken और by लगाना रह गया बस। was broken by दिविज, हाँ, नॉट ब्रोकन। मेरा फोन टूट गया था, माई फोन ब्रोक, सिंपली आप बोल दो, सिंपल पास्ट में इसको बोलो, मेरा फोन टूट गया। अगर टूट गया था तो तब भी आप अगर सिंपल पास्ट भी बोल दोगे तो गलत नहीं होगा। माई फोन ब्रोक।
my phone broke in the early morning, and when my brother wake up, he told me about
then when my brother woke up, जब वो उठा,
then my brother then my brother woke up and he told me about the new phone, that which kind of phone you should buy, and
he asked me which kind of phone I should buy.
he asked me which kind of phone I should buy, and he said that the Samsung phone, and I prefer that the iPhone. So
And I
so
told
there
him,
was,
I told him that I prefer to buy an iPhone.
I told him that I would prefer to buy iPhone.
Okay, an iPhone, क्योंकि vowels के आगे A E I O U लगता है, right?
An iPhone.
Yes. Vowels के आगे sorry an लगता है, A E I O U के आगे an लगता है. Okay. Okay. So what did he say after that? Did he say to buy the phone, or did he scold you that at this young age you want to buy an iPhone? An iPhone at this age? Youngsters are carrying it easily nowadays. They're young, they're rich, right? Okay, what did he say after that? उसने क्या कहा फिर उसके बाद बेटे?
मतलब
उसके बाद उसने कुछ कहा तो होगा, आपने कहा मैं आईफोन लेना चाहता हूँ, उसके बाद कोई बात नहीं हुई? अच्छा, फिर आप बोलो ना, मैम आफ्टर दैट वी डिड नॉट टॉक एनीथिंग, he just went away. Maybe he did not like my idea of buying an iPhone. Maybe उसे
yes
अच्छा नहीं
ma'am.
लगा कि मैं आईफोन परचेज करना चाह रहा हूँ और वो वहां से चला गया,
Yes.
उसने कुछ नहीं कहा। जो भी इंसिडेंस हुआ उसको डिस्क्राइब करना सीखो बेटे, चुप नहीं रहना। कॉन्फिडेंट बच्चा वही लगेगा जो पूरी स्टेटमेंट को पूरा कंप्लीट करे। ये तो नहीं है कि स्टेटमेंट स्टार्ट कर दी और स्टॉप करना नहीं आ रहा. एरोप्लेन को आपने फ्लाई करना तो सीख लिया, लेकिन लैंड करना नहीं आता आपको. ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा ना. अ पायलट शुड नो बोथ द थिंग्स, राइट? सो गिव इट अ स्मूथ एंडिंग. उसके बाद क्या हुआ? दिवज ने क्या किया या क्या कहा?
मतलब
उसके बाद दिवज ने कुछ नहीं कहा, तो इस चीज को इंग्लिश में कैसे बोलोगे आप?
he does not reply anything
ही डज नॉट,
when
यानी वो कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं करता, या ही डिड नॉट रिप्लाई एनीथिंग.
he did not reply anything when I said about refer
ओके,
about iPhone.
उसने कुछ भी रिप्लाई नहीं किया व्हेन आई सेड हिम अबाउट दिस. ओके, सो व्हाट डिड यू थिंक आफ्टर दैट? आपने क्या सोचा?
Refer to my iPhone.
बेटे अभी तक तो मैं सिर्फ आपका पास्ट रूटीन पूछ रही हूँ, आज क्या हुआ. ठीक है, अभी जब मैं इसको पैसिव में कन्वर्सेशन में डेप्थ में आऊंगी तो आपको भी थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. आई एम चार्जिंग यू अप फॉर दैट. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू मोनिका मैम. ओके, could you share me any of your incidents of any of the days before? Any incidents? And I want you to speak more in passive. कि कोई बात हुई, कोई ऐसा इंसिडेंट जिसमें बातचीत ज्यादा हुई. Try it out.
Especially incident on as we are in daily routine, we are discussing with each other, with my teachers, with my friends, and
Mm-hmm. Yes.
so one day I discussed with my teachers with to how to improve the child development.
Uh-huh.
Then one teacher replied me, I need to discuss. I discussed about that. I need to improve the observation skill. Then where we need to work.
Right.
And then one teacher told me about that we can saw the students a picture.
Mm-hmm. Okay. She advised that we can make the students see some pictures, or a
We
student
can make
can be made to see certain pictures. A student can be made to see.
the picture for 5 minutes,
Okay.
and after that we can remove that picture
Mm-hmm.
in front of the child, and then we will ask the questions from that picture.
Mm-hmm.
Little question: what was the color? What was in that picture?
Mm-hmm.
How was that? This type of question, the child will think about that, and he or she will try to give the answer.
Right.
Really, it will be helpful for thinking, improve the thinking skill.
Very nice. Very nice. So you have also started working on the brainstorming activities for the kids, right?
Already doing, we are already doing with the child.
Very good. Very
If
good.
we are going to teach any concept to the child,
Yes.
firstly we are normally we are not going to share that with, yes students, today we are going this. We
Yes.
are not going to start with this. Firstly we will show them a picture about related to that concept,
Mm-hmm.
and then we will know how the child is learn how the child is know about this concept.
Right. Right. So you're
After
going on
that
the
yes.
right. Okay. So now I want to distract you from the conversation. I want the more about the conversation so that I can have more passive in yours talk today. Okay. So what else did you converse with each other? और क्या बात हुई? Okay. Did you talk with any of your staff members today? किसी से भी आज बात हुई?
Not till now, but I am going to discuss in evening.
Okay. Okay, so I cannot take the future ones right now. I have to go for the previous ones. Let's get back to yesterday's conversation with any of your staff member. Without naming them, any of your staff member.
Yes, yesterday I discussed with my teacher, but we are going to, as the teacher is making lesson plan for next day,
Mm-hmm.
then they discuss with me, and in evening, one teacher discussed with me. I'm going to tell about letter M. Then I asked how you are going to teach them
Mm-hmm.
the letter L. Then she told me about. She told me firstly I will told the story of letter M
She told me that
about Mama.
firstly, she will.
Firstly, she will told a story.
She will tell a story. वो बताएगी.
She will tell a story to the child about letter M,
Uh-huh.
Mama letter and baby letter,
Yes.
and after that she will uh, read the book with pictures,
Mm-hmm.
and after that she will write in sand. She will practice and she will make the students practice in sand or suji. They can use in
Mm-hmm.
tray or any plate.
Right.
She will make perfect them to how to write letter M. This was the concept she told me about that.
वेरी गुड. वैसे ठीक है. अच्छा रहा. एक ही बार ग्रामेटिकल जो इशू था वो आपने पिक कर लिया. लेकिन इसके अंदर एक चीज है. जब हम तुषार, आर यू देयर? तुषार, you will not go off video. Make sure. I don't want you to go off video because that is somewhere shows the confidence. ठीक है? Okay, I will not tell you after this anytime. You have to be there on the video anyhow. Okay. So अब जैसे हम कई बार क्या होता है, हम बार बार सिचुएशन को एक्सप्रेस करें कि उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट, उसके बाद आफ्टर दैट. So can we have some more words instead of using the same words again and again? Can we have
Along with,
words
along with this,
along with this, apart from this? Or we can
yeah,
also say that soon after teaching so and
yes.
so.
After this,
Yes. And furthermore,
after this step, we can move the step
yes,
for this
moving
step.
further, furthermore, moreover,
Yeah.
right? You have to bring them into practice anyhow. Okay, now let's get back to Tushar once. Tushar, can you quote any one conversation yesterday you had with one of your friends on terrace? This is going to be a conversation round only today, completely. I want to see you, not the wall up, not the roof, not the fan. Good. Okay. Say, tell me, what conversation did you have with any of your friends yesterday? Tell me. Any first the name of the friend with whom you conversed? Could you name him?
My friend name is Bhavik, and my conversation is about kite flying.
Mm-hmm. Okay,
And
my
when we
conversation was regarding kite flying. Okay. अब
and
conversation
when
दो
we
लोगों के बीच में होती है, तो our conversation.
our conversation
Yes, our conversation was regarding kite flying. Okay, and
and when we are flying the kite and
when we were.
when we were flying the
Uh-huh.
kite and the strong winds come, then our kite is
Mm-hmm.
destroyed,
Mm-hmm.
and
Strong winds came in suddenly and
our
Outward.
hit the kite or which brought the kite down.
He brought the kite down, and then we take that kite, and I told Bhavik about take the sellotape
I told Bhavik, I didn't get you. Clear it out.
and take to bring a sellotape
Okay.
from,
I told Bhavik to get a sellotape. Okay.
and when he brings the sellotape, then
And
we
when he
when
brought
he
the sellotape,
brought the sellotape, uh, then we paste it on the kite it uh, where it destroys.
wherever it was torn, जहां पे भी वो फटी हुई थी, wherever it was torn.
Torn.
Okay.
Wherever it was torn,
Okay.
then we again fly the kite.
Then we again flew the kite.
Right.
Okay. इसमें बातचीत तो बहुत कम है, ये तो इंसिडेंस हो गया. बात तो इतनी सी हुई कि आपने भाविक को कहा कि जा जाके टेप ले आ बेटा, बस that's it.
Then he plays PUBG.
Okay, then he was playing PUBG. Then he started playing PUBG.
PUBG.
Okay, that's okay. But मैंने जब conversation पूछी है तो मुझे conversation ही चाहिए. ये तो इंसिडेंस हो गया. इंसिडेंस से पहले मैं डिस्कस कर रही थी. अब मैंने आपसे बातचीत पूछी है जितनी. देखो, एक बात बहुत अच्छी है तुषार, दैट यू आर स्पीकिंग प्रॉपर्ली. आप ही शी का ध्यान रख रहे हो. सबसे बड़ी पैसिव में मिस्टेक यही होती है ही शी की, कि आई यू और वी, मतलब हम वो वर्ड्स यूज कर रहे हैं जो एक्टिव में यूज होते हैं, ऐसा ना हो. आप पैसिव वाले वर्ड्स यूज कर रहे हो, आपकी वर्ब की फॉर्म में प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, वो हम क्लियर कर लेंगे, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, बट मुझे कोई ऐसे बातचीत वाली बात बताओ. जैसे आपके मामा या और मैं इकट्ठे खड़े होकर बात कर रहे हैं सपोज इतनी देर, तो हमने वो बात की डिस्कशन की कि मेरी किस किस चीज के बारे में बात हुई, पहले इसके बारे में, फिर इसके बारे में, फिर इसके बारे में. आपकी किसी से तो कोई बात हुई होगी.
Yesterday, my friend Chinmay taught me about the 10th class of books that you should give or not.
You should give or not. Yesterday, my friend Chinmay to asked me whether we should क्या हम अपनी बुक्स को किसी को दे दे या ना दे, whether we should hand over our books to somebody or not, right? Whether we should give or hand over our books to somebody, our books, na ki you should, our books to somebody else. Okay, and then what happened? Okay, go ahead.
And then I replied that I already gave it to my friend.
Okay, then I replied him that I already have given. Have given to. Have, okay.
फिर क्या बात हुई? And then he said that please you can arrange me for my bua's son.
Okay, now listen. Then he said me की बजाय आप बोलोगे then he requested me, or then he asked me to arrange. Can you please arrange नहीं? देखो, जब मैं आपसे सीधा बात करूं तो मैं आपको कहूंगी तुषार क्या आप मेरी बुआ के बेटे के लिए बुक्स अरेंज कर दोगे. लेकिन जब मैं ये बात किसी और को बताऊंगी तो मैं यही कहूंगी ना, तुषार को मैंने कहा था कि क्या वो मेरे लिए बुक्स, क्या वो मेरी बुआ के बेटे के लिए बुक्स अरेंज कर देगा. क्या वो, ना कि क्या मैं या क्या तुम. ठीक है, क्लियर? So this is how you will have to speak it. Then he asked me if I can. He asked me if I can or whether I can arrange books for his. अब बुआ का बेटा क्या होगा? ब्रदर ही होगा. His cousin brother. His cousin. Okay, whether I can arrange those books for his cousin brother. ठीक है, यू का ऐसे नहीं कि जो उसने जिस टोन में उसने पूछा उसी टोन में आप उससे आप बताओगे तो गलत हो जाएगा. मम्मा कहेगी तुषार जा ब्रेड का पैकेट ले आ बेटा. मम्मी ने मुझे कहा कि जा बेटा तू ब्रेड का पैकेट ले आ. इसकी बजाय जब आप ये बात मुझे बताओगे, रितिका मैम मम्मा ने मुझे बोला कि मैं ब्रेड का पैक मैं मम्मा ने मुझे कहा कि ब्रेड का पैकेट ले आओ. आप ये तो नहीं कहोगे मम्मा ने मुझे कहा कि तू जा ब्रेड का पैकेट ले आ. नहीं ना, उसमें से वो तू ऑटोमेटिक हट जाएगा. मम्मा ने मुझे कहा, तू की जगह या तुम की जगह, आपकी जगह क्या हो जाएगा, मुझे. My mom asked me to get a packet of bread from the market. Asked me, ना कि asked, will you get a bread packet or you go and get a bread packet. Asked me, मेरे को कहा to get a packet of bread. Okay? Speak this sentence तुषार जो अभी आपने बोला.
My mother asked me to bring the packet of bread,
Good. Okay. Next, go ahead.
and then I replied to Chinmay that as soon as possible I will arrange you.
As soon as possible, I will arrange books for him. You नहीं, आप मुझे बता रहे हो कि मैंने उसको कहा कि मैं उसके लिए बुक्स अरेंज कर दूंगा. तुम्हारे लिए नहीं, तुम्हारे लिए तो यहाँ पे मैं हो जाऊंगी क्योंकि आप बात मेरे से कर रहे हो. ठीक है. I told Chinmay that I will arrange books for him as soon as possible. Okay. All right. Then what did Chinmay say?
And then he said, okay.
Okay. Then he simply replied, okay. Then he simply replied, okay.
Okay.
And our conversation ended. और हमारी conversation end हो गई. Okay. Better. तुषार बात करने लग गए हो, आपको कैसा लगता है that you are able to at least speak easily, मतलब easily English में. अब आपको ये हो गया कि मैं try करता हूँ, मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है मैम. Do you feel happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Really? Okay. One day we both will have a competition with each other. That who will stop first? Ritika ma'am will stop first talking in English or Tushar will stop first talking in English. Okay. Whosoever stops gives a huge treat of pizza. Okay. We'll have this challenge and an online challenge. Maybe? Okay. Okay. Now, similarly, Monica ma'am, can you share one example of conversation, a lengthy conversation? See, मेरा main purpose सिर्फ ये है इस conversation का, बिना rules के. मैं rules को बीच में नहीं लाऊंगी. मेरा मेन पर्पस ये है कि आप जो बोलो इंग्लिश में वो सही बोलो. उसके अंदर पैसिव फॉर्म को ध्यान में रखना है बस, कि पैसिव फॉर्म में सही बोल रहे हो नहीं बोल रहे. मैंने आपको उसको करेक्ट करना है, इसीलिए मैं आपसे कन्वर्सेशन मांग रही हूँ. एंड अगर हम 4 या 5 या 10 बार अगर हम कन्वर्सेशन प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे ना, ट्रस्ट मी, लाइफ में कभी गलती नहीं होगी. आपको रूल्स जब आप करोगे ना तो याद आ जाएगा. अब तो मुझे रूल याद करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. दे आर बाय हार्टेड बिकॉज आई स्पीक देम. रोटी बनाते हैं, वी आर यूज्ड टू इट, वी आर वेरी यूज्ड टू इट. वी डोंट नीड द प्रोसीजर ऑफ इट. लेकिन अगर कोई नई डिश बनानी है, सपोज पिज्जा बनाना है, सो व्हाट विल डू इज हम पहले उसको यूट्यूब पे चेक करेंगे रेसिपी को, राइट? So this is what is the difference between learning rules and practicing things. I'm making you practice the conversation part, not making you learn the rules, because this is something about spoken. Okay, so now please go ahead.
As you know, ma'am, I'm in teaching, professional teaching. My profession is as yesterday I called to a parents to take about feedback about online classes, how it was. Then a parent said to me, really it is going very well. But sometimes that voice problem is there, maybe due to net. She asked me, maybe due to network connection, somewhere that voice was not audible properly.
Right.
And otherwise all things are going very well.
Okay. I
Then
gave
I
you the
called to
feedback.
next parents.
I gave the feedback that everything
Sorry,
is
ma'am.
going smoothly. Everything except that is going smoothly.
Okay. Then I called to my next parent, why you are not attending the online class?
I
Then
asked
she
them
replied, I asked them
why they are. Yeah. Why you are, why they are.
why they are not attending the class. And she replied me that, ma'am, he is not taking interest to sit in front of the phone.
Yes.
It's difficult for me to make him sit and make him interest, make or create interest for that class.
Right. To build his interest in that class.
Then I asked to her, please, tomorrow I asked her, tomorrow please type for one day. It's my duty to make interesting the class, and really he will take interest in class.
I told
And
her,
today she,
okay,
yeah,
make interestingly, make the class interesting.
make the
Make
class
interesting the
interesting.
class की बजाय make the class interesting.
Make the class interesting. And today she is joined the class in the morning. She joined the class in morning, and the child was really very happy.
Okay.
I think it's good for me.
Okay. All right. Okay, Monica ma'am, I need more of conversation even now. It is somewhere half conversation and half incidents that you're explaining. Whereas the way Tushar explained was almost a conversation only. Okay, and this we are going to end this meeting as of now because the time is about to be short. I'll call you once again and we'll connect with the same thing. Okay, so I'll just end up the session as of now. We'll have a new meeting within 2 minutes.
Okay.
Within a minute, in fact.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.